Hey YouTube, I've been doing my own car maintenance ever since I bought her. We just hit 100,000 miles, so we need to do some work. Going to get her on these Rhino ramps so we have access to the bottom. We just got home, so the engine's a little hot, which I like because that helps the oil drain out a little bit better. Let's get to work. Got the car on floor jack and a couple of jack stands. This is the oil I use, but any full synthetic I would be pretty happy with. I go with the OEM filter. I removed this bottom plate to get the old filter out. And on the bottom here, I have a Fumoto valve. So I removed this piece to hold the switch in, and I flick this and the oil will drain. The oil has fully drained. I put in the new filter. That one is the old filter. Now we're gonna pour new oil. When I started this, I made the mistake of using a very small funnel, and now I bought a big one, and it's really nice and easy. Oil change is done. The old oil went into here. I will take that and the filter to a local auto store for it to be recycled. Going to work on this next. I like using Subaru genuine parts, OEM, original equipment manufacturer. That goes in here. I think we're supposed to remove both of these. But I think I was lazy last time and I only undid this one, and that was able to create enough room to shimmy it in. That was surprisingly easy. The engine air filter is in there. The last thing we need to do is change out the cabin air filter, and that one should be even easier. We are all done. Got the cabin air filter changed, got the engine air filter changed, got the oil changed. Going to remove the jack stands, floor jack, Rhino ramps. Video 43 done. Hey YouTube. What am I supposed to say?